Alem yüzüne saldı ziya Ali Muhammed Seyfün şakirip geldiğine Ali Muhammed Seyfün şakirip geldiğine Ali Muhammed Salli ala seyyidina Şah-ı Her name is Rabia, from city of Basra. She was born 717, died 801. She and some other people started calling themselves not just Muslims, but Sufis, because the name comes from the Suf, which is the wool, people who wear Suf. So Rabia is the first ever female Muslim mystic, Sufi, and also one of the very first mystics in Islam too. And what's she doing here is she's carrying a torch in one hand, a bucket of water on the other hand. She is looking for heaven and hell, believe it or not. If she finds it, and the city of Basra is already know she's a little crazy, so they ask her, what are you going to do? She says, if she finds the heaven, she's going to burn it down, no more heaven. If she finds hell, she's going to pour that water on the burning fire and she's going to destroy hell too. And they say, why don't you like about heaven and hell? She says, look at us. Because our religion tells us if you obey the laws and do the good things and then you might go to heaven. So we try to be good to go to heaven. So we are sort of bribed a little bit. But on the other hand, if you don't do good things or you don't follow the rules, you go to hell and you'll be burned forever, right? So if you don't have these two, she says, theoretically and practically, we become good because being good is purely good. We avoid being bad because being bad is not really good. So the Sufis started like that, and she is sort of one of the very early great poet Attar has a biography of her, and she says in her time people considered her as second Virgin Mary because she never married. That was a fashionable days among the Sufis too, that the marriage was a distraction from devotion to the beloved. So that's how very interesting sentiment that she carries. So that is sort of hermitage kind of period in Sufi mysticism. Later it develops into brotherhoods and many different lineages starts like the Mevlevis, the Qadiris, and Bektashis and Chishtis in India. Depending on your cultural background, ethnic heritage, or pre-Islamic religious tendencies, whatever you're carrying, everybody infused a little bit something in them. So you have this many, many different cultural expressions in the Sufi mysticism. Haktır Allah'ım, Muhammed mahım. Haktır Allah'ım, Muhammed mahım. Ali'dir Şahım efendim, Allah eyvallah. Ali'dir Şahım efendim, Allah eyvallah. Aşka burhanım, sırrı rahmanım. Aşka burhanım, sırrı rahmanım. Derde dermanım efendim, Allah eyvallah. Derde dermanım efendim, Allah eyvallah. Yüzümüz yerde, yüzümüz darda. Yüzümüz yerde, yüzümüz darda. Huzuru pirde efendim, Allah eyvallah. 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 Huzuru pirde efendim, Allah eyvallah.